Alrighty guys, there it is. Finally, we finally have an impact rinser to take off blades. So got your owner's manual there. Pull it out. Didn't come with a battery because I have one. There it is. And it is a mid-range impact wrench. I got a good splinter in there. It went right under my fingernail. Made in the USA, and it's the XR brushless, yeah. So there it is. I'll be testing that out once I get the bits. It's a 1/2 inch. So I gotta get bits ordered for it. And yeah, so that is that. That is all of everything. So anyways guys, we'll see you guys later. I'm gonna get this angle grinder set up and we will show you guys how to do that. So on the till swall there. So see you guys later. Bye.